had a special request to do number 70 from your Trig Identities on 6.3. So this is 6.3. This is the problem. And the first step I did was to find the common denominator. So my common denominator here is cosine. So I just kind of cross-multiplied here. I got sine squared cosine minus sine over cosine for this part. And I did it again for the denominator. So we basically have a complex rational here. So we're going to treat these separately. The next step, and you probably got this far, the next step is I factored out sine and cosine. And I suggest that you go write this down while you're doing it, because it's hard to write all these out. So I go back, and all I did here, from here in here, is here I factored out a sine, and that gave me sine cosine minus 1. That's from here. And on this one, I factored out a cosine and got sine cosine minus 1. And that's what I did on this sheet here. I just factored it out. I left everything else the same, so that was just a step. Now, from here, so I'm going to go back to here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide these two. So I'm going to be writing this as sine over sine cosine minus 1 over cosine. And I'm going to flip this, and then it's going to be multiplied by sine over cosine sine cosine minus 1. And that's what I did here. When you do that, you're going to get these two cancel, and you get sine squared over cosine squared equals tan squared. And that's, we established the identity.